If Discord is showing a JavaScript error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix that can solve the problem quickly. This usually happens when Discord has corrupted files, leftover background processes, or a broken installation. And the good news is you can often fix it by fully clearing Discord data and reinstalling the app from scratch. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is completely close Discord and make sure no background processes are still running. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list carefully for any Discord process. If you see Discord running, right-click it and choose End Task. This is important because if Discord is still running in the background, it can keep files locked and prevent the fix from working properly. After you've ended every Discord process you find, the next step is to remove the app's stored files. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the Run field, type %appdata% and then click OK. A File Explorer window will open. Inside that folder, look for the Discord folder, right-click it and choose Delete. This removes stored roaming data that may be causing the JavaScript error. Now we need to clear the local files too. Press Windows key and R again to open Run one more time. This time, type %localappdata% and click OK. When the folder opens, find the second Discord folder, right-click it and delete it as well. Deleting both of these folders helps remove corrupted cache, settings and leftover app data that can trigger the error when Discord launches. Once both folders are deleted, you're ready for the final step, which is reinstalling Discord fresh. Go to the official Discord download page in your browser and download the latest version of the installer. Make sure you're getting it from Discord's official website so you know you're installing a safe and up-to-date copy. After the installer finishes downloading, open the setup file and run it like normal. The installer will set up a completely fresh version of Discord on your computer. Because you removed the old app data first, this new installation has a much better chance of launching without the JavaScript error. Once the installation is complete, open Discord and sign in again. In most cases, this clean reinstall fixes the issue and gets everything working normally again. If the error is still there, restart your computer and try launching Discord one more time, since a fresh reboot can help clear anything that was still stuck in memory. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the Discord JavaScript error by closing background processes, deleting the Discord folders from AppData and LocalAppData, and reinstalling the app cleanly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.